Oh, what about that? Nisanka.
Oh, that was a great delivery. Batsman had...
Oh, well done. Well done. Once again playing from the crease. What are the chances? Not much. Lovely ball. Could be out. Easy peasy. Hamidu Mendes. A soft dismissal. Got a boundary of that reverse and then...
Ball in. Not the...
Oh! A dream delivery. What a ball. The wicket. Now you talk about the lengthy balls. And Samar Vikrama pushing at that delivery and maybe with a slightly angled bat.